How to reset Google password if forgotten. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset Google password if forgotten. So let us begin. First of all, open up any web browser. After you open up any web browser, simply search for Google Recovery. After you search for Google Recovery, you will see the support.google.com website, and there tap on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. After you open this link up, scroll down, and on your forgot your password, you will see recover your Google account or Gmail. So tap on that and it will redirect you to some other website. Now here you will need to type in the email address of the account that you want to recover. So type it in. So let me do that here. After you type in the email, tap on next. And after you tap on next, it will redirect you to someplace else. And here you'll need to verify it's you. Now you can verify using a phone number or you can verify using your secondary email. After you do that, you'll find the update password option. Tap on update password and right here you can create a new password. And that is how you can reset your Google password if you've forgotten it on your iPhone or Android. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take